Hi all, I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So in this course today we will cover radio button click with Selenium Java code. I have created for radio button one Java class. Okay, let's see what is there in normal radio button. I have kept as a name webdriver and at the rate find by 3 I have given because 3 radio button is there and their IDs I have put. Then I have created that constructor. This dot constructor is taking the current reference. Then for at the rate find by initialize all three. I have written page factory dot init element driver comma this. Okay. Now I am calling this first this one xpath dot id dot click. It will click first one, second one, and third one. Three different methods I kept. I can keep in one method also. Now we will move to radio button test. Created test file. Here same thing, initialize browser, maximize window, implicit wait. Now I have given one URL for radio. Okay. So I will move to this. This is the URL. We'll see it will open. Okay. After that, what I have done, like I have created this Java I am using, means creating an object of radio button, the Java class, and then using the R reference I am calling this all three methods. And just to show you, means it should not take, it takes a very little time and it click. But to show you, I've added here Java with thread dot sleep. Okay, and then tear down means close the browser. And now I will show you the site. So this is the demo site. You can use this one. You will click here, then here, and then here. And now I will show you how I have taken that IDs. Okay, so I will inspect. Okay, I will move it down. Now I will click on this. So BMW radio is there, Bench radio is there, and Honda radio is there. So ID is there. So directly I have put ID only. See ID, BMW radio, Bench radio, Honda radio. Okay. Now I will be running this test to show you how it works. Okay. So let's see. Yeah, browser is loaded, maximized, application is loading, it's loaded. Now let's wait, it's loading. Yeah, now it clicked, it's done. Now it will close the browser. Now you can see total test run 1, pass 1, and title also we have printed, I think. Yes, pass this is coming. Okay, this is our test name. I will be showing you. Title of the page is practice page. Okay, here also you can see this is the title, practice page. Okay, now this is com test selenium radio button test. See, com test selenium radio button test. In this we have a click radio test, so this full name is coming. It's passed. Okay, see. Okay, okay, thank you. Please subscribe, like, and do share my video. And if you have any question, please comment. Thank you. Bye bye.